Let's create a simple camera shake effect in Premiere Pro. Click on New Item and create an adjustment layer. Drag and drop the adjustment layer above your video. Go to the Effects panel and search for Transform. Drag and drop the transform effect onto the adjustment layer. Select the adjustment layer and in the effect control scroll down to Transform. Create keyframes for scale and rotation at the start of your shake effect. Move forward by 20 to 30 frames and add the new keyframes for scale and rotation. Then go back between the keyframes and change the scale to 110. Return to the start and now focus on changing just the rotation. Move 2 frames forward and set the rotation to 1. Move another frames and set the rotation to -1. Repeat this process, increasing the rotation value. Example 1.3, then -1.3, then 1.6, and -1.6 until you reach 2. Then reverse the process by reducing the rotation from 2 back to 0. And apply some motion blur by disabling Use Composition and adjusting the shutter angle to 180 or 360 depending on your desired visual effect. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace!